Friends, in this video we will gonna see how to create a coming soon page in multiple methods. Let's jump into the video. This video available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to the settings of the video, click audio track to change your preferred audio language. First method, creating coming soon page using ChatGPT AI. Here I am creating a simple prompt for my industry web hosting provider. You can customize your industry as per your requirement. So instead of creating simple coming soon page, I am also adding one prompt timer that resets after every 3 days. The code is generated, copy the code and go to your cPanel account. Here, enter the file manager, public HTML, create a new file with index.html, click create new file option. Then double click the index.html and click edit option here and paste the same code and click the save changes. Open the browser and type your website. It will show the coming soon landing page. Provide the same prompt in video description. You can customize the prompt as per your industry and you can use it in the ChatGPT AI. Don't like the current design, go to the ChatGPT and type create new design. Wait for full code to generate and you can copy and paste the code in index.html. Next method, I am creating coming soon page using WordPress plugins. Log into the WordPress dashboard. Over plugins, click add plugins. On right hand side search plugin option, type the keyword coming soon page. It will display the plugin related to coming soon page builder. You can install any of your plugin as per your choice. Here I am choosing the plugin which has highest rating. Here you can see I am installing the SeedProd plugin. Click install now option to install the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, click activate to proceed with installation. Click get start option. Here select the setup a coming soon page option and click save and continue. Here you will see plenty of templates. Here you can choose a template which suits best for your website. Here I am selecting the Rocket coming soon page. Last, click finish setup page. It will take you to the website editor. You can edit your website and add and remove text as per your requirement. Even you can reduce the font size, increase the size. You can see the plenty of option to customize your website. You can add the image or remove the particular blocks. You will get the option to see how your website looks in tablet, mobile phone, and also you can click the redo, undo option, preview option to see how your website looks. Once we are satisfied with the design, to save the page now. Once you exit the page, ask you to activate the page. Click yes activate. Open the browser, enter your website. Here you can see the coming soon page. This method you can easily create coming soon page on our WordPress website. If this video helps you, please like, comment, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.